Welcome to this video lecture where we will dive deeply into the decision phases of the supply chain. This topic forms a crucial component of the fundamentals of supply chain management. Our goal is to present this subject in a clear and accessible manner, enriched with multiple real world industry examples to enhance understanding and ensure practical applicability. Through this session, we aim to help viewers bridge the gap between theoretical concepts and industry practices. Whether you are preparing for examinations or gearing up for job interviews, this video is designed to equip you with the knowledge and insights necessary to excel. Uh, so let's get started and explore this essential topic. Now, as you can see on your screen, the three phases in supply chain management are shown in a pictorial view, right? So we will start with the brief introduction of what these three phases are, right? So in supply chain management, these three phases drive the overall process. The first one is supply chain strategy or design. Second one is supply chain planning, and the third one is supply chain operations. The first phase, which is which deals with strategy or design, have a focus on making long-term decisions about how the supply chain will be structured. It involves determining the type of supply chain to be built, whether it will be an efficient supply chain or a responsive supply chain, or can be a mix of both, and selecting suppliers, transportation methods, technologies to ensure the system meets the company's goals. Now, here company goals are very important, as well as uh, to what kind of customers you are serving is also very important. The second phase is supply chain planning, and it is all about translating the strategic design into actionable strategies or plans. This involves demand forecasting, managing inventory levels, scheduling production and transportation to ensure the right product are available at right time for the customer. The goal is to align resources with demand while minimizing costs. Whereas you can see the third phase, which is about execution, right? So this phase is also called as supply chain operations, right? And it focuses on day-to-day operations or day-to-day activities such as managing inventory, overseeing production, and coordinating transportation to fulfill the need of the customers. This phase requires constant monitoring and adjustment to ensure smooth operations and customer satisfactions. Together, these three phases create a well-functioning, efficient supply chain that supports business objectives and meet customer expectations. Now, let's jump to the first phase in brief, which is supply chain strategy or design. It's a very critical phase in a supply chain management where long-term decisions are made about how the supply chain will operate. Now, these decisions are for several years. This phase involves determining the overall structure of the supply chain, which includes whether it will be an efficient, responsive, or a combination of both efficient and responsive, depending on the business goals and customer needs. So, what does customer need? What kind of market are you serving in? So, it all depends on that. Companies or corporations also decide on key elements such as supplier selection, distribution networks, technology investments. For example, Walmart's supply chain design focuses on efficiency by leveraging economies of scale, centralized distribution centers, and strategic supplier partnerships. Walmart minimizes operational costs and passes savings on to customers. This enables them to maintain a competitive edge in the retail industry by offering low prices. On the other hand, companies like Zara focuses on a responsive supply chain strategy. Zara's design emphasizes speed and flexibility, which is essential for the fast fashion industry. By using a vertically integrated supply chain and a close knit network of suppliers and distributors, Zara can quickly react to changing fashion trends and deliver new designs to stores in just a few weeks. Both examples show how the design phase directly impacts the overall supply chain's efficiency and responsiveness, aligning it with business strategies and customer expectations. So everything is done considering customer expectations in mind. Moving on to uh, phase number two, which is supply chain planning, and it is the second phase in supply chain management that focuses on creating detailed plans to ensure that supply chain operations run smoothly and efficiently. During this phase, companies forecast demand, manage inventory levels, and schedule production and transportation to ensure the right products are available at right time. Effective planning is essential for balancing supply and demand while minimizing costs. For example, in the automotive industry, Toyota excels at supply chain planning and its just in time, which is also called as JIT inventory system. So with its just in time inventory system, Toyota excels in supply chain planning. Toyota carefully forecasts the demand for its vehicles and synchronizes production with the supply of parts, reducing inventory costs and avoiding overproduction. Now, this precise planning allows them to maintain low operational costs while delivering products to customer on time. In the consumer goods sector, companies like Coca-Cola also excels in supply chain planning. During seasonal demand spikes, such as in the summer, Coca Cola plans its production schedules, raw material sourcing, and transportation to ensure product availability without overstocking. By forecasting demand accurately and managing resources effectively, Coca Cola can fulfill customer needs while avoiding excess inventory and reducing costs. So overall, supply chain planning is actually essential for aligning resources with demand, ensuring the efficient flow of goods and maintaining cost effectiveness in the very dynamic market conditions. Now, moving on to the third phase, which is supply chain operations, which actually focuses on day-to-day activities or day-to-day operations that ensure the smooth execution of plans developed during the previous phases. Now, this phase includes managing inventory, overseeing production, coordinating transportation, and ensuring that all logistical activities are aligned to meet customer demand on time. Efficient operations are crucial for maintaining uh, customer satisfaction, reducing operational costs. For example, Amazon's supply chain operations are renowned for their efficiency. With a vast network of fulfillment centers, advanced robotics, and sophisticated order management system, Amazon can quickly process millions of orders each day. By leveraging technology, Amazon ensures that products are picked, packed, and shipped efficiently, enabling fast delivery, often within hours, to the customers. Well, another example is again Toyota, which focuses on optimizing its production processes through lean manufacturing and just in time, which is called as JIT systems. In Toyota's operations, parts are actually delivered to assembly line exactly when they are needed, reducing inventory costs and minimizing waste. By continuously monitoring and improving operational performance, Toyota can meet customers' demand while keeping costs to the lowest level possible. In both examples, uh, effective supply chain operations are key to maintaining a competitive edge, ensuring that goods are delivered efficiently and meeting customer expectations in a timely manner. So, with this, thank you for watching attentively. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave your suggestions in the comment section. Thank you.